How to make a paracord bracelet, chainmail, endless falls. The credit for today's project goes to bracelet designer J.D.Lenzen from Tie It All Together, so make sure you check JD's channel as well. And if you want to learn how to create this awesome paracord bracelet I'm wearing today, the full tutorial how to create it you have in the top right corner of this video in the information cards. Also, I'm gonna put the link down below in the description of this video. For today's project we're gonna use the blue paracord 550, the red one and the white. So I have 3 separate pieces of a paracord, and here I cut in the middle the white and the red, and I join them or fuse them as you wish. And from here we're gonna create the base for our bracelet, so it will be red and white. Now we're gonna take the blue paracord and find the center of it, so pull the ends of a cord all the way through, and then when you find the center, put it here on the middle where those cords are joined. And we're gonna do the same with the other part or piece of red and white, but here pay attention, we have white and red, and I'm gonna mix it. The red side will be on the, the red color will be on the right side, and we're gonna put it here. And from here we're gonna simply take these 2 ends and we're gonna pass it through the loop like so. So now here we're gonna make one more step to secure this loop or eye. We need to have them firm, not to move or resized. So we're gonna do that by simply taking the ends we pulled through the loop from one side here, from the right side to the left, like so. And we're gonna do the same with the other end, the red one. So we're gonna pull it from the left to the right. Before you lock it firmly, check the size of your loop. So here, as you can see, when I pull the loop it stays firm and cannot be resized, and that's important for the stop knot on the end. Before we start our today's project, I'm gonna shift this blue into the middle. Take this top red color and white, and we're gonna cross them, and from here we're gonna take the blue on top of it, around and through the loop on the right side, white again on top, around and through the gap between blue and white from the back side, the red on top, around and through the gap between red and white from the back, and the blue on top, around and from the back through the gap between red and blue. Now we're gonna pull the base cords to tie the knot. Don't worry, the first knot is always the trickiest one, and the shape is not as you expect it to be. but just continue and you'll have the beautiful paracord bracelet. So here the 4 cords, blue, white, red and blue, are the working cords or working ends as you wish, and red and white from the side are the base cords. Now we're gonna cross them again, and now we're gonna do the opposite we did before. Now on top and from the back through the gap between blue and white, white on top, around and from the back in the gap between red and white, red on top, around and through the gap between red and blue, and the blue one around and from the left side through the loop or through the gap between white and blue. So here we are, we almost reached the end of today's project. Now we're gonna secure those 4 cords with the basic Salomon or Cobra knot as you wish. So the white one on top of those 4 cords, the red on top of the white, around and from the back through the loop on the right side. Tie it well, cinch it, and we're gonna create one more Cobra. So on top, around and from the back. Now here we're gonna cut off the excess of a cord. So here we are, our today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and the family. And if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, and see you soon. Bye!